Morning, all the students of class 4th. Today I am telling you about the food and digestion in the livings. Food is needed to grow and stay alive. It makes us healthy and keeps us fit and protects from various diseases. The essential elements of the food items contain different useful elements called nutrients. Food we eat is divided into three major groups: 1. Energy giving food, 2. Body building food, and 3. Protective food. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients of the food. Listen about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the chemical compound made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sugar, starch, and fiber are main types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy and important for proper functioning of brain, heart, nervous system, digestive system and immune system. The rich sources of carbohydrates are potato, rice, bread and banana. Now listen about the next energy giving nutrient, fats. Fats gives more energy. These are the richest source of energy. Fats keep our body warm. Extra fat is stored in the body for future use. We must not have too much fats. The second group of food is bodybuilding food, that is proteins. Proteins help the body to grow. Protein is very necessary for growing children. They help in the repair of bone or tissues of the body. Protein is found in meat, eggs, milk, curd, dal, bean and fish, etc. Now we tell about the third group of food, that is protective food. Protective food is vitamins. Vitamins keep us healthy and taken in a small quantity. Vitamins protect us from various diseases. Vitamins are named as vitamin A, B, C, D, N, K, etc. Vitamin D is made in our body with the help of sunlight. Vitamins are necessary for our good health and proper growth. Deficiency of vitamins cause different diseases, like deficiency of vitamin causes blindness, deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy and deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Listen about the other essential nutrients. Water. Water is very useful to our body. It makes up 60 to 70% of human body. Water is important for all the functions of our body and proper digestion. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Now we tell about the other important nutrient, roughage. Roughage is the important for proper digestion of food. Roughage are fibers which are not digested with food but help in easy digestion and removal of waste products. Roughage is get from raw fruits and vegetables. Now listen about balanced diet. The food or diet that contains all the nutrients in right amount is called balanced diet. A balanced diet stay healthy and grow well. If we take a balanced diet daily, we reduce the possibility of sickness and diseases. Now we tell about digestion of food. The food that we eat is not directly used to provide energy. The food we take is broken down into simpler form. This process is called digestion. Digestion starts from mouth, where saliva makes the food and convert into a paste and change start into sugar. This paste of food goes down to the stomach through food pipe. In stomach, digestive juices from liver and pancreas mix the food. Food passes through long tube. Here nutrients are absorbed by the blood and carries to different parts of the body through circulatory system, and solid waste is passed out through anus. Now we take care for proper digestion and always be careful for healthy habits like eat food at regular intervals, chew well, take balanced diet, vegetables and fruits washed before eating. Do not throw away water in which pulses are soaked because it contains vitamins. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting. Do not overcook the food. Too much roasting and frying destroy the nutrients of the food. Thanks. Morning, all the students of class 4th. Today I am telling you